It really depends a lot on how you have set up that schedule. If your weld control has a thing called constant current, you are submitting a value. You are submitting a value of the current that you're asking for. Or you have a percent current. A percent current is a percentage of the amount of energy out of the transformer or that given tap switch. So if you are asking for a certain amount of current, on most weld controls there's a calibration that you have to go through for the turns ratio to make sure that the output is actually what you're getting at here at the electrodes. The best way to make sure what you're getting for current is to use some type of weld scope so that you can see exactly what you're getting here at the electrodes. So a lot of other things can happen. You can have cables starting to break down where they're now needing to be replaced. Or you can have dirty contacts that are making a difference. You can have a lot of different things going on in this secondary portion of your welder. Most of your weld controls are doing a primary calculation where they are taking the primary amperage and current and the turns ratio and saying you should be getting this out there. But again, it's something that you have to set that calibration with a weld scope out here at the electrodes. So there's a lot of things that can happen when you're looking at the differences in your settings.